Okay, in this example, we're talking about factorials. Now let's look at this problem. Suppose you are planning a trip to Europe. If you want to visit 8 cities, how many routes are possible? Okay, so let's think about this. There's 8 cities you want to go to, and you want to visit all 8 of them. So the first city you visit, there's 8 choices. Then after that city is out of the way, there's 7 more cities left, so there's 7 cities to choose from for the second city. Okay, so let's look at this. Eight cities, and we're going to have 8 choices for the first city that we visit. And then after that city's out of the way, there's going to be 7 cities to choose for the second city to visit. And then after that city is out of the way, how many would be remaining? There'd be 6 remaining cities to choose from. So for the third choice, there'd be 6 to choose from. And then going down the line, we'd have 5 to choose from, and then 4 to choose from, and then 3 to choose from, and then 2 cities to choose from. And then the last city to visit is not really a choice at all. Well, technically, I'm going to call it a choice, but there's just 1 choice remaining. So again, look at where all this came from. This is basically the fundamental counting rule. We have 8 choices for the first city. Then after that's out of the way, 7 cities for the second place to go to. Then after those 2 are out of the way, 6 choices. And then after those 3 are out of the way, 5 choices, and then so forth. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And if we multiply all these together, we'd get 40,320. If you use your calculator and multiply 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2, you will get 40,320. And now this was called a factorial problem because I want to remind you about factorials. N factorial means 1 times 2 times 3 all the way up to n. So actually we could have solved this problem by just recognizing that it's 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and recognizing that that is 8 factorial and using the calculator to find 8 factorial, and the calculator would give you 40,320. And if you're wondering how to use factorials with the calculators, we do have a calculator video corresponding to how to solve with factorials. And I highly recommend you check out that calculator video regarding factorials.